Today, we'll set up the communications of your AmpliPHI batteries. In order to enable comms between your AmpliPHI batteries and Sol-Ark inverter, we'll start with the communications wiring and then adjust the settings on the inverter. On the first and last batteries of your bank, place a terminator plug in either of the two ports labeled battery. Next, using the included white Ethernet cables to connect all batteries in the bank, each cable should connect two AmpliPHI batteries using the ports labeled battery. Last, using the included yellow Ethernet cable, connect only one battery in the bank to the Sol-Ark inverter. This cable will connect the port labeled device on the battery to the port labeled battery CAN bus on the inverter. This concludes the communications wiring, so next we'll adjust the settings on the LCD screen of the Sol-Ark inverter to enable communications. First, navigate to the System Setup screen by pressing Enter, and then click on the Battery Setup tab. On the Battery tab, check the BMS lithium battery box and set the address to 00. Once you've done this, the settings on the left side of the screen will auto-populate. Next, check the Use Battery Percentage Charged box and move to the Charge tab. Change the start percentage to 21%, but all the other settings should auto-populate, so go ahead and move to the Discharge tab. Set the shutdown to 20%, low battery to 30%, and restart to 31%. Set the battery empty voltage to 48 and press OK to save your settings. This concludes the setup of your AmpliPHI battery communications.